Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be comparing an old and new software. Now one is Luma AI and the other one is Phant AI, and it serves two different purposes. Luma AI is a professional grade high fidelity foundation for cinematic video and 3D modeling, while Phant AI is a consumer focused mobile app specialized in social media effects, viral animations and body transformations. Also uses text to image and text to video. Now let's go into their features properly. When it comes to their primary focus, Luma AI focuses on professional filmmaking and 3D assets, while Phant AI focuses on viral social media and photo animation. When we look at their video engine, Luma AI uses Ray 3, which is native 4K HDR and physics reasoning, while Phant AI uses template-driven effects and stylized filters. When it comes to their key capabilities, Luma AI has a complex 3D world building and character consistency, while Phant AI has a specialized effects like AI hugs, keys, muzzle, and fight scenes. When it comes to motion quality, Luma AI has realistic physics, cinematic camera control, while Phant AI has a loop animations and automated magic movement. When it comes to image engine, Luma AI has what they call Photon, Photon, which gives you high quality studio grade stills, STILLs. When it comes to Phant AI, it gives you mobile text to image with stylized presets. And let's look at the export formats. When you look at the export formats, Luma AI allows you to export in 4K HDR, A6 EXR for studio pipelines, while Phant AI allows you to export in MP4 or GIF, some call it GIF, whatever. Optimized for social media sharing. Lastly, look at their platform. Luma AI is available for web dashboard, iOS, and Adobe integration, while Phant AI is simply a mobile-first app, Android and iOS devices. As simple as that. So, hope you found this video helpful. And when it comes to their pricing, Luma AI is subscription-based setting at $10 per month for leads, while Phant AI operates on a mobile-centric credit system. So it offers you a low-cost trial. Advanced effects often requires the purchase of points or a premium subscription to avoid long render times and watermarks. See you in the next one.